I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
Gentle. Gentle.
Riding around the block with a Glock. Yo ass finna get shot. That's the silencer. That's the grenade launcher. I'm finna kill you.
Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And all I need is to be struck by your electric love.
6 weeks ago, my mom brought this fluffing pain in the ass into our house. All she does is sit on top of me all day and annoy me. My mom says I have to be a good big sister, but I'm tired of her and I'm just ready for her new family to come bring her home.
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her...
So, dude.
Hola a todos, soy Teddy. ¿Mis mamás se habrán dado cuenta de que no compraron un perrito normal? ¿Que solo se da brinquitos y brinquitos como conejo? Mira, mira.
Wait a minute.
You cannot just go around eating anybody that you want to.
I cannot.
No, you cannot.
I don't know what's going on, and I simply don't want to know.
I'm taking a nap!
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
You're scary.
You scared of the thunder?
Well, no, I'm not scared.
You want to play in the rain?
Oh, definitely not.
Guys, I'm doomed. I just got out of the shower and look, the puppies are out. They escaped! Oh my god. I know, Rennie, you don't like it, huh?
Come here. Amos. The paw. Amos, come here. Amos. Amos. Where are you, buddy? Amos.
First dance is lovely. We did less dancing.
Amos.
Me voy a matar, te mi último. Uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy, uy.
I don't get out of bed and I don't go to the kitchen. I don't have any ambition and yawn and stretch and then go back to sleep. Forget to take my clothes off in the shower.
Broccoli, apples, pears, bananas, carrots, chicken.
Hey, I love you with all my heart. I would do anything for you. Okay?
Who are you, and what are you doing in my Wait, that's me. It's kind of handsome. No, it's not. That freaks me out. Hey, Mom, guess what? Mom, guess what I saw in the... What, buddy? What are you doing?
Fucking damn it. Oh, fucking damn it. Oh, fucking damn it.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.
Bum 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 bum.
Make him the cutest that I've ever seen.
Bum 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 bum.
Give him true.
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch her.
One time that we went for a ride in the car, and then we had to walk to the chicken store to go get chips. And they had so many chicken chip snacks. And sausage.
Here they come. I got this, Dad. Maybe next time.
That's it. You're no longer allowed to sleep on this bed because all you do is lay here 24 hours a day and don't do anything. I even bought you a ball and you don't even play with it.
You need to stop biting. No. You can't.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as...
You're being a bully. Yeah, you are. You're being a bully. It's not nice.
What does Digby want? I'm sorry, sir. Food is all done. Food's all done. Do you want something else? What do you want? You're in a mood today, aren't you?
Like this, you can see his paws underwater.
What are you doing?
Dog pound! Dog pound. Which one do you want to go to the dog pound? You want to go to the dog pound? Sky, you want to go to the dog pound? I didn't think so. So stop all that. Especially you. You're the first one.
Convertible, so I would definitely get my mom one.
Brad?
Yeah, I know. You're saying hi. I know. I can't give it to you now.
Freddie, sit.
Freddie, you gotta sit.
Hey, do you want to make a TikTok with me?
No thanks. I'm fine.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
It's the final brain cell.
The best part about having servants is they'll do anything for you. I rolled around in my own feces to get this special treatment. That's right, get in there.
Hickory dickory dock.
Кто Доберман? Кто?
Don't get too comfortable, sweetheart. I was his everything once, too.
You told me that I'm not enough.
Ik heb het nog opgenomen.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo.
The vet? No! No, 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 no! Oh, not cool. You tricked me!
Okay. What's in there?
The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Wait for the response.
Peace. Was that you? Yes.
You alright?
Yeah, I just had too many sugar donuts for breakfast.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I crashed. I gotta sleep it off, I think. Ate too much sugar.
Alright, well, do you want me to wake you up or just kind of leave you there?
I'll probably be okay in like an hour or two.
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really easy to see.
Sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Hello. Hi. Yeah, hi.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extent.
When you're lazy AF, but mommy says you have to take a poop outside.
Castaways, we are castaways. Ahoy there, ahoy, we are castaways.
It's okay.
Point it back. To point it back. Come on then. Here.
Into back. No? Beatrix, get his head out of your mouth. Leave it. Leave it. Thank you.
orthopedic dermatologist help me maintain my moisture balance. With hyaluronic acid, known to attract moisture, plus 3 essential ceramides to help restore my natural barrier.
Oh boy, Meryl.
Cleansing can be about giving, not just taking, so we can be a healthy.
Next to me? Dude.
Calvin.
I dare you to try to come up from coach and use the first class bathroom when I.
My dog knows the names of his toys. Part 2 unedited.
Okay, now you bring Greenie. Good job. Can you bring a milkshake? Yes, good boy. Good boy. Okay, now you bring duckling. Good job.
do it down there.
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. I didn't get why Mom was suddenly always inside. My daily naps were now cut short and sneaking on your bed was done. There's no more barking at the mailman. What's a dog supposed to do for fun? But now you're home, and it's pretty fun. We played fetch for 7 hours in the backyard in the sun. I get belly rubs and treats. I never have to hold my pee. I don't know what a pandemic is, but it sure is good for me. So let's go. Let's walk out the door. We've already had 4 walks a day, and we'll probably do 3 more. In a time of stress, you can rely on man's best friend. And while I hope the world recovers, I'll be sad when this all ends. On the bright side, the pets will thrive. Every day that you are here with me is the best day of my life.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him.
Oh man, look at that. Yes, we're gonna eat this head.
Viens là, Ryder. Viens. Allez mon bonhomme. Ah, malin comme un singe toi. Allez.
Is it time for your breakfast? Sit. Okay, you're already doing that. Down. Try again.
Tell Mama you love her. Come here, tell her you love her. Say I love you. Good boy. Good boy.
Come down, sit hugger. Good. Good. Good.
This is an Uber doggo. Uber doggo has raffle stumps, a whack-a-whip, a sniffer boop, big ear flop-flops, and of course the nom-noms. Uber doggo will kick your butt.
My heart. So cute.
Aw, he can do it, but you have to give it back. You have to give it back. Give me the egg. Drop it. Aw. Oh my god. Stop!
Okay, Gambit. Speak. Oh my god, Jesus. Speak. Okay, good boy. Speak quiet. Speak quiet. Ooh, quieter. Quiet. Speak quiet. No, that's loud. Quiet.
I had so many cute outfits planned for this year that I couldn't wear. So I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Then there's this. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And this was supposed to be my cute costume, but no. Wait.
Ждать, 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 будешь ждать. Ждать.
Moon sit. Moon sit. Set. Set. Audible. Omaha. Omaha. Give me a paw. Ready.
Hey. I just want to take another look at you.
Tell me something, girl.
It's like he's walking for the first time.
Good boy.
Ernie!
Nee, deze was
Wachten. 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 Goed zo. Doei. Here is he. Doei. Here is he. Here is he. Hey, boy. Oh, he broke out. Oh, no. Good boy. Good boy. You won't like this, mate.
Have you ever been told that you're cute before?
Yes. My mama told me.
Does anyone else hate when people ask, so, what do you do? I do my best, David. I do what I can, and I also do one thing a day that scares me. I wake up every morning, thank you.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
I'm not fat, okay? I'm just really, really easy to see.
Spaghetti.
What is the first word that comes to your mind when you see me? Let me know in the comment. Thanks. Mind if I sit right here?
If you're gonna be in here while I do this, just don't make any noises.
Oh, don't worry. I'll be quiet, I promise. Pinky promise. I was washing my face, I breathed the bubbles on my nose holes, and it felt like it went into my brain.
It's so cold outside, and I just wanted to show you some of my favorite sweaters. This is my lucky date night sweater. This is my casually cool couch potato sweaters. Also my favorite sweaters. This is my I feel so cool in these sweater. This is my Ethnology after school sweater. And this is my bomber sweaters. Okay, I'm lying. This is a jacket, but I just wanted to show it to you because I love it.
Everyone just keeps scrolling past. Will you stay and say hi?
Somebody to hug, somebody to.
And well, go. Oh! I don't want to get too wet.
Okay, get in the car. It ain't that high. Go on. In the car. Leaving your dog Doritos on the ground. Why can't you just get in the car? All right, then.
Immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Chop it.
Oh my god. They gave him a shot of Dilaudid.
Moose. Moose.
Look what I have. Look what I have.
Okay, let's get out of the fridge. Come on. Come on. Boys. Boys. Hey. Hey, out of the fridge. Let's go.
Tak na oko jestem prawie całkiem zdrowy, wątpliwości budzi tylko stan mej głowy, a poza tym prawie wszystko jest w porządku.
Found a stick on the ground and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick and I'm using it.
What? All right.
You're so cute.
Good girl.
Okay, good.
Oh, look how black that water is there.
Poor dog.
Good girl. Good girl, Peanut.